gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
I finally got my hands on the entire Huawei Nova 16 series, and today we're doing a quick unboxing and first look. There are 3 models, the Nova 16, Nova 16 Pro, and Nova 16 Ultra. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Let's start with the standard version. This one comes in sky white, and honestly, it looks super clean. The satin-like back gives it a premium look, and the slightly textured finish feels surprisingly nice in the hand. On the back, you get a triple camera setup. The design is similar to the Nova 15 Ultra, with a red accented lens inside the black circular module. The main camera sits on top and the telephoto lens is below. It's a pretty unique layout. The phone has flat sides, although the frame isn't metal. Up front, there's a 2.5D flat display. Overall, this standard model feels far more premium than you'd expect. Inside the box, Huawei includes a 100-watt ice candy fast charger. Even better, every Nova 16 model gets this charger. Another surprise is that satellite messaging support is available across the entire lineup, which is a really nice bonus. Now let's move to the Nova 16 Pro. This color is called Phantom Black, and wow, it looks amazing. It has a cool, refreshing vibe that's perfect for summer. The velvet-like AG frosted glass feels silky and immediately stands out. The Pro definitely feels more refined than the standard model. It also upgrades to a frosted metal frame with slightly curved edges. The back panel features a beautiful gradient that shifts from dark blue to light blue and then to a pinkish purple shade. The camera module blends perfectly into this design. Honestly, this is one of the nicest gradient finishes I've seen in years. It doesn't instantly grab your attention, it slowly grows on you. It almost feels like holding a cold fruit smoothie. Just looking at it feels refreshing. The Pro packs 4 rear cameras, a main, ultra-wide, telephoto, and Huawei's Red Peak primary color lens. On the front, it also gets dual selfie cameras along with a Red Peak color lens. Power it on and you'll notice the slimmer bezels immediately. The Pro and Ultra also use quartz glass on the front for improved drop resistance. That said, the standard model still looks excellent from the front. Now it's time for the Nova 16 Ultra. This one comes in sky blue, and the camera module is huge. It uses a unique mix of vegan leather and glass, and honestly, I've never seen this design before. The raised camera section is covered in vegan leather, while the lower half uses glossy sky blue glass. The separation between the materials is clearly visible, creating a very distinctive look. Let me know what you think. The camera module itself is also smoother and more curved than the standard and Pro models, which have a straighter design. It's definitely different, and I'm curious which one you prefer. One important thing, all 3 Nova 16 models run on the Kirin 9010S processor, so if you're worried that the standard version is less powerful, don't be. Huawei has kept the core performance experience consistent across the lineup. Anyway, this was just a quick unboxing and first impressions video. Out of these 3 Nova 16 models, which version and color would you pick? Let me know in the comments. And this is only the beginning. A full detailed review is coming very soon, so subscribe and join our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!